Hi guys, what's up? Heraldo here. We are back again on our YouTube channel para mag-share sa inyo ng another potential, the next meme coin launchpad with one-click deployment. Napakalupit yan guys. This is Jump.fun, okay? Napakaganda nitong project na to guys dahil meron po sila ditong tinatawag na PVP Liquidity War. Tapos, meron din sila ditong pre-6 ETH liquidity loan, no? Compete against each other yung mga project. And syempre, yung mga winners dito is maliliquidate or mapapanalunan nila yung nasa losers. Okay, parang for example, lalaban-laban kayo, natalo to, nanalo si kabila, yung nanalo syempre maliliquidate yung makukuha nila liquidation ng mga talo. Okay, so dito guys, pwede kayong bumili ng mga iba't ibang klase ng coin or token na andito ngayon. So nangunguna si Amix guys, no. Tapos si Rupee, and tapos makikita nyo dito guys yung mga real time na bumibili dito sa kanilang website. Okay, it's Jump.fun yung official website nila guys. And ito naman yung kanilang official Twitter guys. Ayan, mababasa nyo naman sa kanilang mismong parang caption, no? The next level meme coin launchpad with one-click deployment, PVP liquidity war mode, and free 6 ETH. Napakalupit niyan. Okay. Ayan, so everything you need to know about donation on Jump.fun. So meron nga pala ditong donation guys, napakaganda kasi I think no, yung benefits ng kapag nag-donate ka dito guys is may makukuha kang airdrop or rewards no na jump token. Okay, so ito yung mga example na, for example, itong address na to, bumili siya ng 0.1 ETH, tapos yung estimated rewards is umaabot ng 15, no? Depende siguro yan kung gaano kadami talaga yung bumibili. Nasa donation stage 3 na tayo as of making this video, and napakadami na pong nagdo-donate guys, no? So magdo-donate ka and syempre may makukuha ka ding rewards in the future. Okay, tapos yan guys, yung community na tinatawag natin. Kapag click natin community, ayan, lagyan natin yung MetaMask natin guys. Okay, dito meron tayong dalawang klase. Pwede tayong mag-register ng community natin. At the same time, pwede tayong mag-join sa community. Okay, for example, magre-register tayo ng community. Kailangan lang natin dyan i-upload yung photo natin and yung ating community name, for example, Heraldo. Ayan, tapos i-link nyo lang yung Telegram account nyo. Tapos sa public group guys, ayan, kailangan nyo kukunin yung link ng public group nyo. Sadly guys, wala tayong public group kasi ang hawak natin is Telegram channel. So, hindi tayo makapag-participate dito. Okay? Tapos, yan guys, join community. Kapag gusto nyo mag-join, syempre, kailangan ng invitation code. Okay? Ayan, so invitation code po yung kailangan natin dito. Napaka-importante nito guys kasi meron po kayong reward na makukuha dito as you can see guys. Register your community and get up to 50% bonus on all members and their invited friends. So, hindi lang siya nagpo-focus dito sa pinakang pag-participate sa kanilang war mode kasi may mapapala ka din, no? Kapag nagpasok ka dito ng community mo. Napakadaming token na nagpa-participate as of now, guys. Ang laki ng mga pump, no? 'Di ba? Ayan, no, tulad nitong Rupee. Ang laki na ng pump niya, guys, 300% na po. Okay, tapos yan, guys, punta tayo sa kanilang Telegram channel. Click natin 'yan. Napakadami na po ng Telegram channel subscriber nila, 183,000 as of making this video, and ito po yung kanilang official Telegram channel. So, ilalagay ko na lang po yung official link, no, sa video description below. Lahat ng dapat nyong malaman tungkol dito sa Jump.fun. Okay, dito po nila ina-announce lahat ng update, syempre, no, kung ano yung mga latest update. Tapos yan guys, transparent po sila kung mapapansin nyo, no. Ayan, may mga whale na pumapasok no, nagdo-donate. Napakalupit naman yan. Okay, diba? Ayan, sumali na lang din kayo dyan guys. Tapos yung kanilang audit report, ayan, Peck Shield, Smart Contract and Audit for Jump.fun. Nandito na rin po yan lahat, no? Pwede nyo rin siyang i-check. Okay? Balik tayo sa official website guys ng Jump.fun. So, hindi lang yun yung pwede natin gawin. Napakadami pa po. Ang dami ditong sumasali o nagpa-participate guys. Ayan, kita nyo naman yan. How it works, pwede nyo i-click para mas maintindihan nyo pa. Ayan, tapos dito na tayo mag-explore, no, sa kanilang getbook or yung parang tinatawag nating white paper. Okay, why Jump.fun? Completely fair, all meme coins will have 100% of their initial liquidity added to Uniswap. Okay, completely decentralized 100% protocol revenue is automatically repurchased to Jump. Okay, may papakita ako sa inyong picture later on. Okay, no pre-market trading, no review required, instant launch for trending events. Okay, the liquidity war mode, ayan, Liq War, brings higher and more sustained attention to meme coins, whether they are rising or falling. So, napakalupit yan guys. Consecutively winning more than 3 rounds in liquidity war will result in at least 64 times increase. Napakataas, di ba? Ayan. 'Di ba? Napakalupit. Ayan, tapos basahin niyo na lang lahat kung gusto niyo pang ma-gets kung anong meron dito sa jump.fun. Okay, one-click meme coin deployment na tinatawag guys. Nandito na po. Anyone can join the jump.fun to deploy their own meme coin. Okay, and kung marunong kayong mag-deploy ng meme coin nyo, pwede nyo po siyang ipasok dito sa website ng jump.fun, no? Ayan, ito yung mga instruction natin: token name, symbol, brief description of the token, whether to participate in liquidity war mode, initial purchase. Okay, deployer can choose whether to make the first purchase when the token starts trading. Initial purchases are limited to 0.3 ETH maximum. Okay, and help token avoid attacks by trading bots. So, napakaganda niya, napaka-fair and patas na patas po. Okay, launch mode guys, ito yung description. Okay, tungkol sa launch mode, basahin nyo na lang. Ayan. Ito, liquidity war guys, coming soon. Ito yung maganda, no? Yung kasi guys, parang magkakaroon nga ng war dito. Kung sino yung mananalo, maliliquidate nila yung talo, makukuha nila yung liquidation, no, nung talo. Okay, basahin natin dito guys. The meme have been assigned the liquidity war tag will enter the liquidity war arena at 00 UTC plus 0. Okay, the next day, the system will group every 10 meme coins with the closest liquidity together into a liquidity war batch. So, meaning to say guys, magiging fair po yung labanan dito sa liquidity war. Kasi nga, ang sabi dito guys ay, ayan no, mababasa nyo na closest liquidity together into a liquidity war batch. And then, after 24 hours, the combat of tokens with the highest and lowest liquidity increases among the 10 will be declared as winners, looting the liquidity of the other 8 tokens, which will lose 10% of their liquidity. Okay, ayan, para mas klaro yung tungkol sa liquidity war. Protocol revenue guys, eto, hintayin natin. And ito yung protocol revenue, one-click meme coin deployment configuration. Ito po yung description niya guys. Tapos yung tax fee niya. Okay? Ayan, punta tayo sa jump token, tokenomics. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, no? Para sa akin, dito tayo sa jump. Okay, sa jump token tayo. Saan na ba yung jump dito guys? Meron na yung jump fund. Okay, ito yung pinakang token nila. Okay, ayan, sa donation muna tayo. Let's talk about the donation first, no? Kapag nag-donate ka, you will get a jump rewards, no? Tapos, magkakaroon nga siya ng big pump. Distribution of the donated funds, for example, nag-donate ka ng 1 ETH worth, no? Makakuha ka ng jump rewards. Tapos, ito, mahahati yung donation mo sa 25% is allocated for market making, 15% for initial liquidity, 3% for community rewards, 7% goes into the FOMO 3D prize pool, 50% is deposited into jump.fun treasury for initial liquidity loans. Diba? Napakaganda nung pagkakahati nung pupuntahan ng mga magdodonate. Okay, ito, creator, one-click meme coin deployment tokens. Pupunta ka dito, babagsak ka dito kay trader, no? Trading meme coin. So, yung, for example, ako si trader, magte-train ako doon sa bagong deploy na meme coin, no? Tapos, protocol revenue, 100% buyback ng jump token. Ayan, 25% burn, 25% protocol deployment, 50% community reward. Tapos, yung big pump on jump token, ayan, makikita nyo. Dito lahat pupunta yan, di ba? Connect talaga sila. They are connected to each other and relate talaga. Okay, more creator joins, more community owners joined, more traders joined, and more donors joined. Ayan, encourage community expansion. Ayan, dito guys, mababasa natin 100% of the protocol's revenue will be used to buy back jump. Yun yung token na jump, guys. Okay, a 7-day refund period will be provided after jump adds initial liquidity. Okay, token information, guys. Ayan, 1 billion po yung total supply. Tapos yung donation rewards, ang laki guys, 80%, napakalaki niyan. Okay, di ba? Ayan, initial liquidity is 12%. Team is 4%, guys. Centralized exchanges listing 4%, if I'm not mistaken. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Okay, donation information. Ito po, yung mga description or explanation about sa donation. Guys, medyo humahaba na tayo. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa video description below. Distribution of donated funds, guys. Ito yung percentage nila. Tapos, price pool, FOMO 3D price. Ito po, guys, no? Ayan, roll over, nandito na explanation niya. Okay, Jump.pan TG bot guys. Ito nga pala speaking, para makapag-participate kayo dun sa community. Okay. Dito guys, for example, magse-set up kayo, register kayo ng community sa may mga more than 100 members sa group po. Group, hindi channel. Okay. Only TG communities can submit. The community must be greater than 100 members. Okay. Only community owners can submit application. So, talaga ikaw lang dapat yung admin or may-ari ng group na yon na dapat hindi bababa sa 100 members. Okay. Before submitting, you need to invite bot, yung si Jumpan _bot to the group, and you are submitting to and give it admin rights. So, click natin yan guys para makita nyo si bot. Make it sure lang guys na bot po talaga yung bubuksan nyo guys, ha? Okay. Ayan, ito po yung bot ng Jumpan, okay? Ito po yung kanyang username. Ingat kayo, baka mamaya may magpanggap dyan na bot, diba? So, mabuti na yung sigurado tayo. Okay, mapapansin nyo dito, add me to your chat. Parang yan yung gagawin yung admin para makapag-participate kayo. Kasi kapag naglagay kayo dito nang hindi siya naka-add sa group nyo, I think magkakaroon ng error or hindi kayo makakapag-join dito or makakapag-register. Okay, punta naman tayo sa community rewards. Ayan, users can set up their own communities or join an existing one generating a unique referral code. Tapos may makukuha tayong mga rewards dito if I'm not mistaken guys. When anyone donates, the allocation of the community reward portion of the fund allocation is as follows. 1% goes to the donor and 1% goes to the referrer and 1% to the community creator. Malaki-laki yan guys, to be honest, kahit 1% yung nakikita nyo. 50% of the protocol revenue will be used for community rewards. 20% of the jump tokens allocated for community rewards go to the trader, 50% to the referrer, and 10% to the community creator. All rewards are tradable and accumulated even before users joins community. So, ang ganda niyan guys, fair na fair, approve na approve, goods na goods. Additional information guys, eto nga pala, wag na wag kayong maliligaw. Etong mga link na to, ito lang ilalagay ko sa video description below. Okay, ito lang po yung mga links nila. Ito lang po yung official Twitter ni Jump guys. Asa na yon? Yan, ito lang po guys at jump.fun. Okay? Dito, nag-update po sila ng mga ganap or mga latest update tungkol dito sa project nila. Okay? At ito lang po yung kanilang mga official links. Okay? Smart contract. Ayan, usapang contract tayo guys. Huwag na kayong maghanap. Nandito na. Ito po yung contract ng Jump Token guys. Tapos itong bonus pool sa Pomo 3D. Ito po. Ayan. Jump Rewards guys. Ito yung gagamitin nila. And ito naman yung sa Treasury. Okay guys, keep in mind na ito lang po talaga yung mga contracts nila. Okay? Wala na pong iba. Kung magkaroon man ng changes guys, dito lang kayo mag-check sa kanilang getbook or kanilang white paper. Okay? So, I think that's it guys. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. So, again, yung pagdodonate nyo dito is hindi siya mawawalang bahala. Kasi yung pagdodonate nyo dito, for example, gusto nyo mag-donate, and click nyo lang guys. Dito nga pala, para hindi kayo malito, shares po yung pinag-uusapan dito. Okay, as of making this video, 1 share is equivalent to 0.1 ETH. Magkano yung 1.1 ETH, in peso as of making this video? Keep in mind that the price of ETH is subject to change because of the volatility. 0.1 that cost $350 as of making this video. Pwede pa yung bumaba, pwede ring tumaas, depende po sa presyo ng Ethereum natin. Okay, so ayan po yung mga shares. For example, gusto mo ng 10 shares, yan. 1 ETH yung ibibigay mo, yung estimated allocations na makukuha mo sa Jump Token. Ito po yung quantity. Okay. So and guys, that's it. I think hanggang dito na lang ating video dito sa Jump.pan. Approved to kay Araldo, goods na goods. Comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. Susubukan ko sagutin yung mga katanungan nyo. Yeah, hanggang dito na lang tayo. See you on the next one. Peace!